Are you unsure on how to use your bronzer? Want to wear it and don't know what to do? Want to enhance some areas on your face? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use bronzer to enhance your cheeks or give you a more glowy look. Now, my model here, Carrie, has on some makeup, and what I'm going to do is just show you how to use it to enhance the cheekbone or to do some shading. Now, what you want to do is, as you can see, she has a little hollow spot. So to pump up that area, I'm just going to stay underneath and in the hollow spot with my bronzer. Now I'm using a flat bronzer brush, and it has very soft bristles. So if you pay attention and look, the brushes, they just fall right into her skin. And that's what you want when you're using a bronzer brush. Go right into the hollow of the cheek. And there. She has a nice, soft, bronze cheekbone, as you can see. Now, you can also take the bronzer and go up along the forehead, down the nose, just kind of give you a nice, beautiful glow. Now, bronzer comes in all colors, so make sure you choose a color that you desire to achieve the look that you want. Bronzer is fun and it's easy. It's something that you can do at home. Remember, bronzer comes in all different colors, as you can see here, and make sure you have the correct brush. My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can use bronzer to enhance your cheekbone.